Jason has lost his battle. The thoughts of everyone from the paddock are with Jason's family, his close friends, with the Prustel team, of course, who are on the grid. And we race in his honour and memory. And in just a few moments, we will respect a minute of silence. All of the MotoGP riders at present making their way to the front of the grid. A dark, dark day in Grand Prix motorcycle racing. The world's finest riders here all unite as one in moments like this. The most terrible circumstances for us to go racing here today, but we race on in Jason's memory, and he will always be in our hearts and thoughts. We'll stay silent for now for a minute or two, and of course the minute of silence will be taking place shortly.
Please join us for a minute of silence in memory of Jason Dupasquier.
A dark cloud hovers above us here in MotoGP. A very difficult moment for all on the front of the grid, and particularly for the remaining members of staff from the Prustel GP team. Our thoughts with everyone involved, and of course to Jason's family and friends, and a really, really nice touch from the MotoGP riders here going around to the various members, Matt, of the Prustel team.
Yeah, our thoughts and prayers and condolences to all associated with the Prustel GP team. They took the difficult decision to withdraw from the earlier Moto3 race with their other rider, of course, Ryusai Yamanaka. Tom Luthi, of course, as well, a very close friend, Swiss rider, a mentor to Jason Dupasquier. He also decided not to race in the earlier Moto2 Grand Prix. Ryusai Yamanaka there, just pausing in memory of his teammate Jason Dupasquier, always in our hearts.